These art brushes by U.S. Art Supply. It's a 12-pack and they're 3 inches wide. They're really cool brushes. I've ordered these before and they are really good. So I was surprised I get to get another pack to review and take a look at. They are awesome for doing stain. They're nice stiff brushes, as you can see. I think the only thing that I might have improved upon is maybe coat the handle with a little coating of some sort. They are a little rough, but that could be why you can get them so inexpensively. Basically, they're 100% pure white hog hair bristles. They're great for, like I said, stain and cutting in edges for windows and such, varnish and acrylic and gesso. The bristles themselves are 1 3/4 inch long, and again you get 12 of them and 3 inch wide. Awesome product. I really do like them. Can't wait to use them again. Like I said, I've purchased these in the past. Have a great day, and thanks again.